Okay, I got some unboxing. I'll try to do this really fast. What I've got is some Novaculite I ordered from Danny Collins. I actually ordered it, yep. I'm going to do this on film because I like to do this on film. It's a present to myself. I also like to show nice packaging or proper packaging. Yeah. Of delicate material so it doesn't get damaged. And yeah, I reuse this packaging for my own stuff that I send out. Oh yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it takes a little while. I didn't need to cut that. I just figured it was just part of the package opening, but this is where I need to cut. As you can see, even Obsidian has its drawbacks. Yeah, everybody knows Danny Collins, right? Yeah, excellent supplier. We all have a vested interest in making sure these suppliers are advertised and utilized. And what did I do? Wait a second, did I order this? Maybe I did. I don't even remember. Optical glass, or what's it called? I can't remember if I ordered it or not. Opalized? I don't know. Let's see. It's very cool stuff. Yeah, so I'll make some arrowheads out of this stuff. Not yet. I just want to see. I just want to see for now. It's tough. Come on. Come on. Here we go. What does it do? Yeah. Okay. So that's what I ordered. I think so. I thought it was all going to be Novaculite. Oops, I can't mix the glass with the rocks. Alright. Alright, this is the packing slip. Maybe the opalized glass or whatever it's called is a gift? I don't know. Heat treated Novaculite. Yeah, this is the box of the stuff I ordered. And I guess Danny sent me this glass. Fits perfectly. He's got it cut, or it doesn't look cut. It looks manufactured in blocks of this size. So, if that's a gift, thank you very much. Oh yeah. That'll make for some very interesting art points. I'm going to start making art points. Yes, I am. What is this? biface. Probably the biface. I'm gonna cheat and use the steel blade. Yeah. Novaculite biface. Yeah. I like it. Goes in with my bifaces. I should like it. I ordered it. Ah, yes. Looks like victory. Yes, yes. Yes. Got a little bit of issues on that side. But I don't see anything on this side. We'll see. We'll break that up on one of these upcoming videos. Okay, because I'll spend like a week or two on Novaculite. I'll spend a week or two on Obsidian. I'm in the Obsidian mode right now, so I'm not going to nap this yet. So when I get to the Novaculite mode, I'll nap all this stuff. And then I'll switch back over to chert. Ooh, that's that gray stuff. Yeah. I can make good AG points out of that. And other Novaculite items. Yes. Oh, goodness. I might have to make a big Novaculite blade. What is it? I mean, what is the size of this? This is a challenge that might take me a while to finish. This is a total of 10 3/4. Okay, I'm not going to get a blade that big, but that's one of the biggest pieces that I've ever had of Novaculite. Yep. Sweetness. It makes me giggle. Now, it's got a crack in it. Yeah. See, long AG points can be made from this. Some smaller points. Yeah. It's a little bit challenging to work with because of the cracks, but it's not impossible. No. Yeah. Challenge rock. Yes, it is. And it doesn't really matter what size I get from it. What I like is the nappability. Yeah. This is between Obsidian and chert, you know. Novaculite is kind of in between. It's an in-betweener. And if you're careful, you can get thin blades and points. Yeah. And it's heat treated to a good consistency. Yeah, not all Novaculite heat treat is the same. Yeah, this is good. Nice. Okay. Let's empty out the little bits. There we go. All right, what do we got in here? I'll put everything back in a minute. What do we got? Oh, I almost buried my knife. Novaculite. Flakes. Yeah, and I ordered this straight off of Danny's website. In case you want to know what you get. This is what you get. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's got cracks in it, but you know, that's how it goes. Gotta work around those. Is that a heat pop? It might be a heat pop. Yeah, it's very nappable. Nice. Some people have a hard time napping it. I used to have a hard time napping it. You just gotta get used to it. If you nap Obsidian first and then go to this, I think it helps because you're already tuned to a delicate material. This is a little bit tougher than Obsidian or Dacite. I'm trying to remember if the edges crush as much as the Obsidian on this stuff. Or it's hard to sharpen, in other words. I can't remember. Shame on me for not being able to remember. Yeah, the colors are good too. Nice. So the blade, I can get a blade out of it through this way. Or I can just get, I can get two spalls. If I crack it in half, I can get two nice thick spalls to work with. But I would only crack it in half if there's already a crack in there. But I don't see any. So I can... Oh, there's something there. There are some cracks like they're right there. So, yeah, it might be best to get one blade out of it. Nap that away. yeah, I'll do these as a challenge in a week or so, or whatever. Whenever I stop doing the obsidian, I think this is my next series of videos. I'm gonna, do a rifling through of these to get a bunch of bifaces and flakes. And then what I do is all the waste flakes, all the crud flakes go in the trash, so I don't have to store a bunch of stuff. All I got is I'll keep a box of, or a little basket of flakes and bifaces. Yeah. And I want to do that with all of my materials. I haven't had a chance to go through all my materials that way. And that'll condense my storage, hopefully. So eventually what I'll do is I'll just have a bunch of bifaces and flakes, and I just pick them out of the baskets and work them instead of having to store a lot of material like this. Because I actually do have a lot of material like this in low quality stone that I picked up in Texas. But within that low quality stone I got for free, both from picking it up myself off the side of the road and from gifts from friends. Once I rifle through all that and get bifaces out of it, I can get rid of a lot of the junk flakes, the crud flakes, and that will reduce my storage needs considerably. Yeah. All right. Let's throw some of this trash away outside. I don't got any room in to throw it in here. Okay. Opalize glass. Okay, so yeah, this stuff I'm not going to use. Cool. All right, that's it.